The comments made by the Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President a few days ago against our leader, Sri Derek O'Brien, who is the Rajya Sabha leader of our Trinamool Congress Party and who has been acknowledged as the parliamentarian of a year, does not deserves to be commented upon. However, we are not going to be fools like him when his Goa in charge comes tomorrow from Tamil Nadu and we say go and speak in Tamil Nadu. Now he talks about TMC came here in Goa to split the votes. Does he believe that the intelligent Goan voter is a purchasable commodity that you can buy and sell? Is it the, what is this is what is he trying to tell the people of Goa? That they are like him, a commercial man, a dealer wheeler? We would like to tell him that the Goan voter is not a bonded slave of any political party, and more so of the Congress party. And Trinamool is here 1 year. I challenge him to come for a debate and I will prove to him that we have taken up more issues against this government than he himself. He talks about dividing of votes. His own alliance partner is on record to say that the Congress party was sold much before the election started. Everybody knows politics means business, it's commerce. How he got the Kurchari ticket? How he has got today's position, political position in the Congress party? Everybody knows. That's a deal. It's in public domain. This is not our charge. Everybody talks about it. The Congress people are only worried how he came about it. First deal he did was, and a history, within 6 months of the election, the first recovery deal that he did was he sold 8 MLAs to the BJP. The second deal that he's trying, he's a gambler, he's a businessman. He's filed this coalition petition to see how much he can squeeze and play with them. But he has got his grandfather, who has also filed another disqualification petition because he doesn't trust him. So what is he talking about? He should stop this nonsense. I challenge Amit Patkar to please come for a debate. I will expose to him how the Congress party has betrayed the trust of the Goans right from 2007, 2012, 2017 and 2022 under him. I'm sure he doesn't understand anything of politics.